And welcome back to another video where I review, critique a detailer's website. I'm gonna do things a bit different here and actually compare and contrast two websites. One website is actually producing results. It's ranking on the first page of Google for multiple keywords in their area, and the other one is not producing any results. So we're gonna compare and contrast. I'm still gonna critique the other website, but just kind of give you a different perspective and just kind of change things up a bit with these website reviews that I'm doing. And the website that is actually producing results, it's sweetsdetailing.com, and he's actually a member inside of my online course, SEO for Detailers. It's currently open and will close down today or tomorrow, depending on when this video goes live, but it closes out on Monday the 17th. I'm gonna shut the doors and I'm gonna close enrollment. So if you're interested on ranking your website on the first page of Google in order to actually generate traffic, leads, and sales into your business, then you can click the first link down below to get more information on SEO for Detailers. It's the same way we've grown past $10,000 per month, and it's the same way that Sweets Detailing has grown his business and actually gets customers and makes money because his website actually produces results. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so on the one that we're reviewing is summitautodetailavl.com. So first things first, okay, I'm a visitor that wants to get some, just an interior cleaning, a paint correct. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna just look at it face value. So I land on their website, summitautodetail.com. This is their homepage. This is their hero section. What am I looking at right now? Nothing. There's nothing to look. There's no text. Now we have this little one down here, mobile detail service for Asheville and surrounding areas. But other than that, it's just a kind of oversized photo of a truck and nothing else. There's no context. There's no word. There's no copy. There's nothing. There's no value given on the hero section. So if we go to sweetsdetailing.com, and let me just take off this here. If we go to sweetsdetailing.com, it says a stress-free mobile car detailing service, in Dallas. Over 50 plus 5-star reviews on Google from our delighted customers, making your experience easy and simple. So off of these two, which one has just more context, not even like proper copy or optimization, just which one is giving you more context of the business, of what they offer? So obviously here, it states, okay, they're mobile car detailing, they're in Dallas, they have 50 plus 5-star reviews, so they've been in business, they do good work, I know they're mobile, and I know they're in Dallas. Whereas if you look over here, it's like you get no context, right? Yes, you can read down here, mobile detail service for Asheville and surrounding areas, but it's like, I have to look at the fine print on the hero section in order to understand that. So what I would do here with Summit is, you know, that's not good, but it would be a lot better if you would just even take this copy here and put it as your heading 1. There's a mosquito right here. It'd be better if you put this as your heading 1. At a minimum, that would give the customer or the potential customer or the visitor, I should say, a lot more context on the websites. And it's not a completely, like, it is optimized. You have the word mobile detail and you have the word Asheville. So all in all, not the best, a lot of room for improvement, but it gives the visitor a lot of context and it is optimized. So at a minimum, I would move this from a little text right here, put it as your H1, and you now have a somewhat optimized H1. So not a bad starting point. If we go up here to their page title, it just says Summit Auto Detail, right? Summit Auto Detail, and then that's it. It just says Summit Auto Detail. Now, the reason why that's not optimized is, again, it doesn't have your primary keyword for the service that you want, for the keyword. So do you want to go for car detailing Asheville, auto detailing Asheville, mobile auto detailing Asheville, paint correction Asheville, interior, like I don't know what keyword you want to specifically go for based on the volume that you have, but you do want to have one primary keyword that you want to target on your homepage. So if we go here to Sweets and we look at the page title, it says a stress-free mobile car detailing in Dallas. Detail near me. I can't read the rest, but anyways, you see the difference. There's no mention of his business name because he's trying to on the page title, which is what the visitors see on Google, he's trying to give some type of value proposition inside the page title. And his value proposition is saying a stress-free mobile detailing in Dallas. Now that's much different than simply saying Summit Auto Detail. So if you have those two listings, right? If you're just looking at those two, Summit Auto Detail or a stress-free mobile car detailing in Dallas, which one just seems more enticing? Of those two, which one seems more enticing? Which one seems like there's more thought behind it? Which one seems more like that's like the business that I want to work with, right? So it's very important that your page title is one, optimized with the keywords, but then two, it's engaging, it's enticing. You want the visitor to say, okay, which business kind of separates itself? Which one seems like the one that I want to learn a bit more from? So for Summit, I would definitely say you got to optimize not just your homepage page title, but all your page titles, right? That same theory or strategy of like making it clickable, enticing, engaging, that has to be applied to every service page that you have. Because every page that you create, your homepage, your service page, your mobile service area pages, it's going to give you another chance. Well, you're basically battling for the click because that's going to be a different query that a visitor makes in Google. So for every page title, your page title, your heading one, your header one, has to be optimized, it has to be engaging, it has to be clickable, it has to be enticing. So now let's scroll down here, and next thing we're gonna see here are packages. So we have a premium foam wash and interior maintenance. We have a premium foam wash and interior detail, and then we have a premium foam wash and interior detail sanitize restore. So just one thing, I would like anytime you have pricing, I know it says 50, 140 plus, 240 plus, but always definitely put like in small details, like, general pricing, final price is, given at inspection of vehicle or something like definitely put that on every page that you have pricing just to kind of cover yourself and say, well, a customer might come to you and be like, hey, well, on the website it says, 260. Yeah, but it also says that this is just a general price range or price point. Then we're gonna scroll down, it says add-ons, heavy pet removal. Okay, so right here, the next section that you have, it's all just pricing. Now, in your head, it's like, okay, yeah, I'm giving them the service breakdown. It has everything that's included. But the problem is like most people don't understand the basic thing that you're saying. And you might be saying, well, it says it right there. It's like, yeah, but you can't assume that everyone that lands on your website knows exactly what you know or understands what you're saying, For instance, on this premium foam wash and interior detail, sanitize, restore, the word restore can mean a lot of things to a lot of different people, right? It might mean, oh, no, my leather's not cracking and like torn up. No, I just want it cleaned. It's like, oh yeah, we're gonna restore it, meaning we're gonna clean and condition it. It's like, oh, okay, I thought you meant like you're gonna reupholster it or something, So even that word like that, like you don't know where that person is in their journey of like what they know about detailing and cleaning and things of that nature. So not that you can't use that word, but if you are gonna, like when you're gonna explain a service, you need to give it way more context. And that's why I always recommend that you create one page for every service. So this mosquito don't get out the way. So if we go down here, let's say on suites, he has here our popular detailing services, right? He says full car interior cleaning. And then he gives a breakdown of that service, right? Just to give you a snippet of it. But then when you click learn more, guess what? This whole page here is just for the interior cleaning page. Versus here, you have everything stuffed onto the homepage with no other, how do I learn more? Like, I haven't checked if you have a specific page for this package, but it's like, even if you did, I have to go and look for that page. So now let's see up here on your header, if you have an additional page, and you do not. So that's what I'm saying. Like here you have 3 packages in one, and the person, the visitor, has to look at every single individual one and see what's included, right? Where over here, it's like, okay, if I want my interior cleaned, I'm on a specific page that specifically talks about getting your interior cleaned. So which one kind of aligns to the visitor, right? Now you might be saying, well, what if they want to know everything? What if they want to, it's like, you can give that option to the visitor by having multiple pages. Like you might be saying, well, that's too much for them to read. It's like you should not dictate or assume what that visitor wants to read or how much they're willing to read. So if you're creating, let's say there's an interior cleaning page and a paint correction page, right? And you're saying, man, that's so much to read though. They're not gonna read all that. It's like the person that needs to find out every single detail about what you offer and your business, they're gonna read every word. The customer that knows a bit more about the service and just needs the main points to make sure you're covering that, they're gonna kind of skim it. But you can't assume that every person that's gonna land on a website is like, oh yeah, this is all they need. You don't know that. It's wrong for you to think that, oh, they only need these bullet points right here, right? In order to make a decision. So if I go down on yours, like let's say this premium one for 240 plus, a premium foam wash, like what is a premium foam wash, you know? In your head, it's like, well, it's like, you know, good quality towels, good wash mitt, you know, using forced air to dry the vehicle, a foam wash, 2-bucket wash method. It's like, okay, but that's because you know that. No one knows what a premium foam wash is, right? A car wash down the street from where I live, it has a ceramic wax, a ceramic spray wax, and it's like, who understands that? You know, like it just, you know, you don't know where the customer is at with you know what they know. So it's like you have to give them all the information, all the context to what your service entails. So let's see. So we have clean door, trunk, gas jams, deep clean tires and wheels, UV protecting tire shine, remove bugs, full vehicle vacuum, shampoo, seats and carpets, contaminant extraction. See, like buzzwords, like heavy buzzwords. Contaminant extraction. What does that mean? I'm assuming that's like just extraction. So what we like, most people know it as a shampoo, right? Like we, like me and Lex and everyone here, we don't really call it shampooing, right? We always say we're gonna extract the seats. But when it actually I don't even know, because you have shampoo, seats, and carpets here, and you have contaminant extraction. Like, what is the difference? What is this? I'm not saying it's like it's not valuable, whatever this is. But me as a visitor, like, what is the difference between these two? And it's like, I want to know the difference. If there's a difference here, explain to me what the difference is. Because again, some people, if they need to, if they want to, they're gonna read every single word on your page. It's happened to us all the time. Like on our smoke odor removal page, I think there's like 800 words, 900 words. We have customers that come to us and like, I read every single word and it's exactly what I needed. Here, I already got the filter that I needed. I know I'm gonna drop it off here for 2 days. And it's like, the reason why they're so well informed is because on the page that we have, it literally explains everything that we need in order to get the job done. And it's like, we don't hold back on explaining what all that's required. And it's a long page, but people will read it. On the other hand, if they don't need to read it, if they just give you confidence because you have a lot of reviews and you come from a recommendation, they're probably just gonna skim it. Okay, then here we have, it says happy clients. Again, so these are just photos. I would like to see reviews, right? I would actually like to see, okay, like happy clients, where they at? Like I don't see them, I just see photos. How do I know that they were happy, right? So it's like, you want to reinforce that statement, happy clients. Okay, where are the reviews at? I want to see the reviews. I see no reviews. How can I trust you at all that these aren't just photos that you got from someone else or something? Not that you did. I'm just saying, like, don't give the visitor any reason why to question anything that you're saying. If you do say over 50 plus 5-star reviews, back that up with 50 plus 5-star reviews. So let's go back to Sweets here, and let's go to his reviews, and all his reviews are right here, right? Like, he's backing it up. Oh, he has all the reviews, like, you know, and he even gives you the link to go back to Google and Yelp to confirm that those are all actual reviews. So whenever you claim anything, whenever you say anything, back it up, right? Not in the sense of like, oh, well, they should, like, you know, they don't trust me. It's like, no, like, this is a complete stranger that's landing on your website, and they're trying to figure out, of all these businesses that they have no idea who they are, who is the one that gives me the confidence to go and reach out to them so I can spend money with them, right? And it's like, you want to make that customer be like, what, this business, man, like, they have so many reviews, they have so many photos of the work that they do, they're explaining everything on their website, but this is the one that I want to work with, you know? Like, give them every reason. Like, think about it like this. And I think I said this on another episode, where it's like, you can either give them more confidence or less confidence with everything that you do on your website. So that means at every page that they go to, every word that they read, every photo that they see, you want that line to go towards the confidence, not less confident. So whatever, you know, and just apply, like, just ask yourself that question. What can I do on my website to make the visitor feel more confidence in my business? Now, if we go here to the gallery, I actually do like that you have an exterior and an interior gallery. That is good that you have that separation. Now, one thing I would like to do at a minimum is on each of the galleries, at least break it down by the service. So if you're on the exterior one, I would like to see like it broken down by, you know, whatever service you offer, like a wash, paint correction, headlight restoration. Because right now I'm gonna scroll through all these photos, and it's like, you know, if I'm a customer that wants headlight restoration, right? That's the main thing that I want. I'm like, okay, let me look for headlight restoration. Let me see, like that's the main thing I want to see. Headlight restoration. Like I don't care about the wheels. Like I want to see the headlights. Like does he do headlights? Can he do a good job? So I'm just gonna keep on clicking and clicking. Whether, you know, compared to if you have a specific section to just headlight restoration, it's like, oh, boom, there it goes. Again, going back to that confidence. If you already have a section specifically of headlight restorations, and I, as the visitor, am looking for someone to handle my headlight, it's like, oh, boom, photos right there. I can confirm that he does headlight restoration and that they do a good job at it. Okay, and I don't want to make this another 25-minute video. Last time, I think the last one that I made, I think it was like 30 minutes, and I chopped it all the way down to like 17 minutes because I was like, I'm not trying to post a 30-minute video. That's too long for people to consume. So I'm going to end it right here so it doesn't go too long. Again, if you're interested in getting all the help to rank your website on the first page of Google, if you actually want to generate traffic, leads, and sales, if you actually want your website to produce results and to actually make money and grow your business, then click the first link down in the video description below for SEO for Detailers. It's closing this Monday, the 17th, which is either today, tomorrow, depending when this video goes out. But it has a bunch of new content over the last 2 months now. I've been updating almost the entire course. I'm still nowhere near done, but a lot of the content is being updated. You get 90 days of email coaching through me. I will respond to every question that you need. I'll help you in any way because I want to help you grow your business, and I want you to get ranked on the first page of Google so you can actually get your phone buzzing and your emails blown up with customers that want to book with you in your calendar. So anyways, I'll end it right here. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, concerns in the comment section down below. Again, please don't ever think that I'm just like hating on someone. Like I'm literally just giving direct feedback to the website. And again, do you want a pretty website or do you want a website that produces results? You know, there's the two different things. Like if you go to Suites, is this an award-winning website? Is he gonna get like a, no, like it's a very straightforward website. There was no coding involved. There was no like design work involved. Like it's just a very straightforward website that gets the job done. Like that's what I'm trying to help you out. If you want to go and make it look super pretty and functional, go hire a design firm and make them go do that, you know? Other than that, get it ranked, get traffic, get leads, and grow your business. I'll end it right here. See you on the next one.